students, welcome to my geography class. Today I am going to teach you or I am going to discuss you about the first chapter of class 9, that is India, size and location. As you can see the name of the chapter, in this chapter we are going to read about the size and the where actually India is located. So our today's topic is location of our country. Suppose if I will tell me where is Siliguri in the map. Can you tell me where is Siliguri in the map exactly? Maybe somebody will see, no, Siliguri it's over here. Maybe somebody will say that Siliguri is over here. But the actual location of Siliguri, we can understand the actual location of the Siliguri with the help of the coordinates. Now what is this coordinates? You can see in the globe that there are so many vertical lines are there in the globe and there are so many horizontal lines are there in the globe. Now in the actual earth, there is no existence of this vertical line and the horizontal lines. These all are the imaginary lines only. Now you can see over here I have drawn a globe only. We are telling that it is a sphere because shape of our earth is sphere only. Or if precisely I have to say, it is a geode. You can see a orange. It is not a perfect circle. Like our earth is not a perfect circle. It is little bit flat towards the north. It is little bit flat towards the south. And it is little bit bulged in the east and the west. Now what is this latitude and longitude? This latitude and longitude both are the imaginary lines. Because there are no so many lines are drawn in the earth and all. Now this latitude, as you can see these lines, these all are the horizontal lines, horizontal imaginary lines which are there in our earth. Now these lines are called the latitudes. All the lines are parallel to each other, that's why we are saying it is the parallels of latitude. Now in our earth there are so many latitudes are there. In together there are 181 latitude we are having in our earth. The middle latitude, that is 0 degree latitude, the name of this latitude is equator. This equator divides the entire world into two halves. The northern part of the world, it's called northern hemisphere. And the southern part of the earth, it's called southern hemisphere. Like the latitude, we are having so many longitudes also in the earth. Now what is this longitude? If I will make a vertical line over the earth, so these all lines are called the longitudes. Longitudes are the vertical lines. They are not parallel to each other, and by the help of this latitude and longitude, we can calculate or we can locate the exact location of a place. Suppose like I said about Siliguri, if you know the latitude and longitude of Siliguri, so easily you can mark in the map what is the location of Siliguri. But our today's topic is India's location. So in which latitude and in between which latitude and which longitude India is located, we have to see that. Now see over here, this is 8 degree 4 minute north. India starts from 8 degree 4 minute north and it extends up to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extent of India. Now come back to the globe, you will find 8 degree 4 minute north. Where you will find this 8 degree 4 minute north? You will find this 8 degree 4 minute north above of this equator. That's why we are telling that India is located in northern hemisphere. Instead of saying India is located in the upper part of the globe, we are saying that India is located in the northern hemisphere because the latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Now a question comes, from where this degree and minutes come. Like in this ruler, you can see that your ruler is divided into the centimeter and those centimeter further divided into the millimeter. Like that only, when we are locating a place in the world, we are using these terms. This is called degree, this is called minute, and this is called second. Suppose this is a 0 degree line. So the next line over here will be the 1 degree line. But in between the 0 and 1, there are 60 divisions are there, and this is called minutes. Now come to the longitude of our country. Longitude, you can see it's written over here. It is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Now you see this line of the globe. This value of this line is 0 degree, and we are saying this line is prime meridian. Actually, this line 0 degree that passes through England, and the eastern part of this line comes under the eastern zone, and the western part of this line comes under the western zone. Altogether, we are having 360 longitude. Now, India lies on the eastern part of this prime meridian, and the longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Now look at the India's map. You will find I have written over here 8 degree 4 minute north. That is the southernmost point of Indian mainland. Here we are having Kanyakumari. But see this area. This is the island group of India that is called Andaman and Nicobar Island. And the last tip of this island, that is called the Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost point of Indian Union because it's a union territory, and this is the southernmost point of Indian mainland because it is the last part of our mainland, and the value of the Indira Point is 6 degree 4 minute north. So there should not be any confusion. This is the last point of mainland and this is the last point of Indian Union. Now, if anybody will ask you what is the location of our country, you will say the location of our country is the latitudinal extent 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and the longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. And see this dotted line inside our country. This is also our latitude. The value of this latitude is 23 degree 30 minute east, and it is our Tropic of Cancer, which actually divides our country into two parts. For today, this much only. So what we have read today? We have read today what is latitude, what is longitude. We have read about the hemisphere also. We have learned about the Tropic of Cancer also. And now you are going to do a home assignments for you all. Like you will draw all the major latitudes of the world in your copy, and as well as you will mark the name of them, and side by side you will try to prepare a map where you will mark the northernmost latitude of India, the southernmost latitude of India, the easternmost longitude of India, and the westernmost longitude of India. Thank you so much.